This woman heard very strange sounds coming from under her house, and when she discovered what it was, she immediately called the police. Catherine lived in this house for many years, which is in the state of Texas in Dallas, in the United States. She had no idea that in that house there was a terrible secret that was hidden for years right under her feet, until one day everything was revealed. One day, she was returning from work. As she parked her car in front of her house, she heard a strange noise coming from under her house. Not knowing what could be happening, she quickly went into the house, but the strange noises continued to be even louder. So Catherine got down on the floor of her house to listen to where the noises were coming from. That's when she was sure that the strange noises were really coming from the floor of her own house. That's when she became desperate. Scared, she called her son, and the two began to supervise the place. It was at that moment that they found a secret door, a kind of hatch in the floor of the house. Even though she was very scared, Catherine decided to go down to find out what could be happening. But when Catherine discovered what was underneath her house, she immediately called the police. Comment home for part 2.